Oh, what do we have here? Woman thinks she can flash gun at Costco worker without consequences.
On July 23, 2023, police were dispatched to a Costco for a potential shoplifter who threatened employees with a gun in Federal Way, Washington. According to the store's surveillance cameras, a 33-year-old female became upset when asked to show her receipt before exiting the building. After ignoring the checker's request, supervisors were radioed and quickly met the woman outside. As the supervisor attempted to get the female to show him her receipt, she began yelling, "Back the F up," and reached in the cart to banish her firearm. During the encounter, the female continued to yell as she loaded her car with groceries. Eventually, she gets into her Mercedes and speeds out of the parking lot.
Wow.
Police arrived and urgently located the reporting party to gather information for probable cause.
It was in the car.
What did she do?
She waved it in my face over here, told me to back off, came to her car.
She pointed it at your face?
She pointed it at me.
Like directly at your face?
Yeah, it was still in the holster.
Okay, what did you do after she pointed at you?
I backed off. I called my manager.
Okay.
Oh, y'all had going at jail. You pointed a weapon at a Costco worker?
See assault too. Okay, are you willing to provide a statement and all that?
Yes.
Perfect.
So, yeah, she
Of
went
course
over there,
you
we
is.
saw him pull her out of the car and take her down over there. So
I'm the one that called.
yeah,
Okay,
he was
cool.
calling,
Can I get your ID, man?
Yeah.
You got it? Okay, perfect. I just wanted someone to come over here, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, can you stick around for a second?
Yeah, no problem.
Sir, you guys have like footage of where it happened?
Should, yes.
Okay.
This happened right in front of
That's
this camera,
crazy.
So I
Right
just
here?
pointed down.
Where in the parking lot was it?
Right here is when she approached me, or when she waved it in my face.
And then
So.
she loaded her car up right there in the first stall.
Where the key is?
Yeah.
And
Perfect.
that's when I went over to talk to her to find out what was going on. And
Okay, okay.
Yeah, she went off on him, and I was just standing. He's got my
Okay,
ID,
perfect.
so I was just standing nearby just to protect him.
Okay.
So.
One officer observed the gray Mercedes driven by the female, who was later identified as Bianca. Once the officer was positioned behind the car with his emergency lights activated, a high-risk traffic stop was initiated.
So you pointed a gun at somebody that was trying to stop you from stealing a gun over some groceries? Aggravated shoplifting? Wow.
High risk. Get out with your hands up. Get out of the vehicle with your hands up. Get out of the vehicle. You're being detained. You're not free to leave. Get out of the vehicle with your hands up. 28 high risk to the north of you.
If you don't chill out, you finna have some bullets in you.
She is not being compliant. Exit the vehicle with your hands up.
I don't have anything.
Exit, turn around, and walk back towards me.
I'm not being detained.
Walk back towards me. Walk back towards me.
I'm not walking back.
Who else is in that car?
Nobody's in the
Get
car.
on your knees.
I'm not getting on my
Get
knees.
on your knees.
You can come to me. I'm not
Get on your knees right now.
I'm not getting on my knees.
Turn around then.
I'm not doing that either.
Turn around.
I'm not doing that. I'm not here to hurt you. You can't feel my energy. I'm not here to hurt you.
So what's gonna happen? Because
Your energy showed on the camera that you was willing to point a gun at a Costco employee. Hell no, he don't trust nothing you got going on. You got a whole weapon on you.
you're gonna get taken to the ground hard.
Why? I'm not.
Turn around and
I'm
walk
not
back
doing
towards
that.
me.
I'm not doing that. I'm going to grab my
Keep
phone.
your hands up now.
I'm going to grab my phone.
Turn around now.
I'm not even being aggressive.
Turn around.
Why are you doing that?
Turn around.
Why are you doing that?
Well, get on the ground.
Why?
Oh nah.
Bianca continued to actively resist.
I would have tripped her
causing the
ass.
officer's body camera to get knocked to the ground.
On the ground.
Move. I'm just.
No, under arrest. Where is
Listen,
it?
I'm just standing here talking to you. Listen, look at what you're doing. I'm
Get
just
on the
standing
ground
here.
now. Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands.
I'm saying
Lay on your stomach.
I can't.
Do a favor for me.
I
Please back up
can't.
a little bit. Lay on your stomach.
Can't. I'm not even resisting you.
We're wrestling with one.
Get on your stomach.
It behooves me when somebody commits a crime and then when they get stopped by the police, they act like they ain't did shit wrong. And then they want to make matters worse by not complying and keep resisting. Just keep racking up the charges, dumb.
Resisting.
You're hurting my body. You're hurting my body. Why did you have to do all that when I was just standing there talking to you?
It ain't nothing to talk about, baby.
I'm not flipping anything.
Stop fighting it. Stop trying to get your hand out of it.
Why would I do that?
Stop.
Just
Hey.
take a deep breath.
Y'all
One step
some
at a
head ass motherfuckers, yo.
Everything's being
I don't
audio
give
and
a.
video.
I don't
You got something.
I'm hurting. I'm hurting. And you're that
Was you hurting when you pointed that gun at the Costco employee?
hurt.
Hell no.
Pulling your hand out of your handcuff.
I was relaxed when we first got here.
Hey.
I'm gonna be like this now because I've been tackled to the ground. I have a spinal cord injury, and I just rolled my ankle. I'm in pain.
So then relax your body for me then.
Can you stand me up then? This
Relax,
is
your body,
ridiculous.
body. Ooh, yeah, body, body.
It's so goddamn racist, yo.
She got tiny.
This is unnecessary. This is unnecessary.
I got the fire department coming to check you out, okay?
I don't need nobody to come check me out.
You just said
Okay,
you were
you
hurt.
can
I
complain
don't need
to...
nobody to come check me. I don't
Stop
trust
trying
you,
to twist.
and I don't trust anybody that hurts.
I know, but you keep trying to take your hand out the
Ma'am,
handcuffs.
I need... Listen.
She need to be tranquilized.
If you take your hand out of handcuffs, you will get tased. Do you understand me?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Do you understand
If
what
you
I'm
take
saying?
your wrists out of your handcuffs,
Do you
you will get tased.
I can't take my hands out.
You were trying. I just tightened.
I was not. I was turning my wrist.
I'm just letting you know.
You were turning it in the opposite
Let's get her
direction.
into
Because
a
that's
car.
how it's supposed to be. Have you guys,
No, I don't.
I just frisked.
Please give me a second. Please give me a second. Please give me a second, because y'all hurt my back, yo.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, don't commit crimes and you won't have to deal with this. Getting arrested is not supposed to be comfortable. It's not supposed to be a walk in the park. It don't feel good, and the cop backseat is even worse.
do you have anything in your bra?
Don't touch my stones. You touching
You're
my
being searched.
stones.
I'm removing your stones. I'm not touching them.
You don't have to remove them to search
Yes,
them.
we
I
do.
do that. I remove
You're
them.
under arrest.
You're gonna be booked into jail, and they won't let you have them when you go to jail.
That's crazy.
Everything will go with you, though.
That's crazy.
Just because you got a gun don't mean you need to be pointed at people when you get mad.
I have dogs at the house. I have dogs. I have animals.
Where's
I have
Federal
food.
Way,
I have
Washington?
food in my car.
That you stole.
For no fucking reason.
They called for a manager to the display car area out in the parking lot. I heard some screaming and shouting, and I walked over to the member loading her groceries in her car. At that point, she told me to get get the F back.
For no reason. For no reason.
That I didn't bow down to her when I was approaching her, and that she knows the truth. At that point, I told her that I was there to help her, and she still told me to get the F back. And that was when she pulled out a gun and set it on top of the car. And at that point, I called the police.
We're gonna
Oh yeah, your ass cooked. Stick a fork in ya.
search you, and then we're gonna go in the car, okay?
And you're hurting my wrist, and then you pulled on it again.
I know, so here's the
Why
thing.
are you doing this?
Because you're under
Why did you do
That
this?
doesn't mean you have to physically be aggressive.
Keep doing this, though.
What am I doing? I just asked him to let
Babes, you're not in control. You're arrested. This shit is over. You might as well just give up this fight.
me pull my wrist
And
off.
he's not going to.
But you're hurting me.
Here's the
everything
thing.
in
You
your
tried
bra.
to pull your hand out of your handcuffs. We can't let you
No,
do
I
that.
didn't. Why are you lying? You can't. Listen. You
Everything's
can't tell
on
me-
video.
You can't tell me what I was trying and not trying to do.
Okay.
Did she shoplift or
So
no?
there's great.
No, she bought her stuff, but she was upset because she didn't want to show her receipt, which everybody at Costco,
Yeah.
from what I gather.
Yeah.
You can't tell me what I was trying and not trying. And then you're stepping on my toes.
All right, hi.
Oh, I love you. I love you.
Okay, get in.
I love you. God don't like ugly. God
Obviously he don't, cause they caught your dumb ass.
don't like ugly.
Swing your feet in.
God don't like ugly.
Okay, well,
God don't like ugly. Yahweh don't like ugly.
Is she holding it? No.
Right.
Oh, she's holding it.
Whoa. Where'd she save that? Where did she get that? It's in a holster.
World star. They got your ass in 4K. Pointing a gun at somebody. Stealing.
But still, it doesn't matter.
Because she didn't even see. Man, she did like a David Copperfield.
Let's see it. Oh.
why in the world?
Oh no.
She's an idiot.
Man.
She should not. She just messed up her life.
I know.
Badly. She fucked up her life. Bad. Over some groceries.
We have to watch.
Just show the receipt. I know. You paid for it.
You could have just went and sold plasma for $150 and got you some groceries. Shit.
Just show the
Little
receipt.
blood. Something.
It's literally Costco policy. When I go to Costco, I don't care.
Everybody,
There you go.
yeah.
It's not a big deal.
No. It's one of those things that you kind of know you have to do over there.
Yeah.
So
It's known.
yeah.
Everyone.
It's just like Sam's. You know, a lot of times when you walking through that front door, they want to see your ID or your Sam's card. And if you ain't got one, they're going to make you go get one. It's pretty simple.
Literally show the receipt.
Yeah.
And half the time they don't even really. They just like cool.
As long as
Yeah.
you don't got like big ass houses, like 4 TVs.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
that's the only thing they're really looking out for. Is like
Facts. Like if you trying to charge a goddamn Apple and you got a TV in your you going to jail.
A detective reviewed the case and noticed inconsistencies in the victim's statement. His report stated the CCTV camera that captured the interaction between Bianca and the victim did not capture a dramatic and felonious assault with a firearm. From the video, it appears that Bianca produces the teal handgun that remains within a black holster as she holds it in her right hand. The handgun does not appear to be blatantly pointed at the victim and was likely withdrawn in an attempt to alarm or intimidate him so he would stop following her. However, according to Washington state law,
Oh, this is Washington State. Okay.
it shall be unlawful for any person to carry, exhibit, display, or draw any firearm, dagger, sword, knife, or other cutting or stabbing instrument, club, or any other weapon apparently capable of producing bodily harm. in a
Shaking
manner,
my
Under
head.
circumstances and at a time and place that either manifests an intent to intimidate another or that warrants alarm for the safety of other persons.
She cooked.
In the end, Bianca was only charged with felony count of assault with a firearm, but should be downgraded to a misdemeanor based on the detective synopsis. It should also be noted, a criminal history check was conducted and no criminal record was found. Bianca possessed a concealed pistol license and was an employee for King County.
I know she lost that job.
To help support.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. What did you guys think about this video? Did you guys think it was worth brandishing a gun at an employee just to steal groceries? Me personally, I didn't think it was worth it because at the end of the day, all you did was ruin your life. Whether it's a felony or a misdemeanor, whatever the case may be, it's still going to show up on your record that you brandish your weapon. You know what I'm saying? And you work for the county. It seems like you probably didn't risk your job. That was just freaking stupid. Like, I don't understand people that do I understand when you in survival mode and you hungry and you ain't got no food, but baby, that is not the way. And you ain't just have like a little bit of shit. You had a whole grocery cart full of like, come on now. You think they wasn't gonna check that receipt? Even especially if you ain't got one, that's mandatory. You can't. That's the last point of sale or return. You think they finna let you just walk out all willy nilly? Hell no. Yo ass going to jail, as you can see. But thank you guys for tuning in, and that's it, baby. We out.